Thank you to Bulldogology for sending me these potty pads to try out so I could tell you about them. These are extra large carbon puppy training pads designed for no odor and no leaks. And right away, my doggy is attracted to the pheromone additives to the puppy pads, and he's sitting on them. What is really unique about them is their black color, which is able to hide stains better. And you know what? I think it also blends better with my decor on the floor, and you don't have a potty pad with those stains to look at and deal with. So I really like that. Now, these don't look like your typical potty pads, so that's what I really like about them. They feel nice. They have a shiny back that helps with the leak control. They have a sticky back so they don't move. If you have a dog that likes to move around on the pad, and you know how annoying that is when the pad moves. They look really functional, and like they're not as noticeable if you have them in your living space. These are extra large, so they're 24 by 35. They have 6 layers, a carbon layer, an absorbent layer, and of course the sticky tape too. So let's see my dog trying them out. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know he used the puppy pad. There's no odor. Because of that, I might even let him use it one more time. Let's check it out. Huh, it's dry to the touch. The floor is dry also. And I really don't smell anything. Would you prefer a white puppy pad or these?